how to fix a deactivated Doordash account. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can fix a deactivated Doordash account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is go to the Doordash Help Center or their support page. Over here, click on the provided link to appeal the deactivation. After that, choose your preferred language to continue. Then fill in your information by entering your email. Next, select the reason for the deactivation. Over here, once you have chosen the correct reason, click on Next to submit the form. After that, wait for DoorDash to review your request. Then, if you do not receive a response after a long time, you can contact DoorDash support. Over here, you can either call them or chat with them using the DoorDash app. So that's how you can fix a deactivated DoorDash account. That's all for this video.